Today, I'm going to talk about tornadoes. Tornadoes are nature's most violent storms. They come from powerful thunderstorms. They appear as a funnel or a cone-shaped cloud with winds that can reach up to 300 miles per hour. These cause damage when they touch down on the ground. They can damage an area 1 mile wide and 50 miles long. Before tornadoes hit, the wind may die down and the air may become very still. They may also strike quickly, with little or no warning. Before you want to, build an emergency kit, make a family communications plan, look for the following danger signs: dark grayish skies, large hail, large dark low-lying clouds, loud roar like a freight train. If you are in a building, go to a safe room such as a basement, cellar, or the lowest building level. If there is no basement, go into an inside room like a closet or hallway. Stay away from corners, windows, and outside walls. Do not open windows, put on sturdy shoes, and protect your head. If you are in a mobile home or trailer, get out immediately and go to the lowest floor of a sturdy building or storm shelter. If you are outside with no shelter nearby, get into a vehicle and buckle your seatbelt. Put your head down below the windows and cover your head with your hands and a blanket, coat, or other cushion. If there is no car or shelter, find a ditch or an area lower to the ground and lie down. You are safer in a low, flat location than under a bridge or a highway overpass. Wear sturdy shoes or boots. There may be broken glass or nails on the ground that could hurt you if you stepped on it. Never go near or touch dangling or loose power lines. They could electrocute you. Text, don't talk. Unless there's a life-threatening situation, if you have a cell phone, send a text so that you don't tie up phone lines needed by emergency workers. Plus, texting may work better if a cell service is down. Words to know: funnel, a long shape that is wider on the top and skinny on the bottom like an ice cream cone. Hail, frozen rain. Storm shelter, a room or space built below ground and without windows that is safer during a tornado. Tornadoes are most common between March and August, but they can occur at any time. They happen anywhere, but are most common in Arkansas, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Minnesota, Nebraska, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Dakota, and Texas, an area commonly called Tornado Alley. They are also more likely to occur between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., but can occur at any time. That is all about tornadoes.